Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Devyani Sonwane, and if you're new here, please subscribe below. It will really mean a lot to me. And if you already subscribed, press the bell icon to get the notification every time I upload the new video. So today's video is a DIY project. I have been to a wedding recently. That's where I got this idea to make ethnic belts. I have searched a lot of websites for these like Amazon and on Google also. They have been pretty costly, not affordable at all. So that's why I decided to make this video. Ethnic belts are quite in a trend right now and they are very expensive. I searched a lot of sites for these, but they are not affordable at all. So that's why I decided to make them. Put together all your ethnic look, like traditional look. You can just wear a simple sari and put an ethnic belt, and it's gonna look really amazing. You guys trust me on this. For example, I'll just look at these and tell me if you like that. So yes, these are like my inspiration. So I went to a lace shop and I bought a lot of like lace for I needed a 1.5 meter of lace for my waist size. My waist size is 26. I'll show you all the things I needed for this DIY project, and they are very cheap. And if you want to know where I got these hoodies from, it's from Urbanic, and I did a haul last week. So if you want to check that out, I will link above here, so you guys can check out that video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the stuff we are going to need in this DIY project. One needle, like you can use any needle at your comfort level. One thread, scissors, some lace. I have got 2 silver lace, 3 golden lace. So this is the first one, which is 100 bucks per meter. This one is also 100 bucks per meter. The silver one is 20 bucks per meter. This one is 40 bucks per meter. It's pretty cute, so I bought this. So this is all you need for this DIY project. So I'm quickly gonna try this on. Like, I just wanted to know what length I want. So I wore my belts here and I just want it to a little bit loose. So this is the length I want. You can adjust it as per your comfort level. So yeah, so let's just start. So I'm gonna flip it and I will cut it here. Keep it this side. Okay. See, here are the 2 parts we are going to separate. So I'm gonna stitch this side on this end of the belt and the other side on this side of the belt. I'm going to stitch this one on this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to stitch all the four sides of this sticker. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. One thing you need to do this DIY, you just know how to stitch. So just basic stitching, nothing special. If you don't know how to stitch, you can definitely glue it on, but I just wanted to make sure it stays. I wasn't sure about the glue and all, so yeah. This side is done. We'll go and do this side. So one thing you have to keep in mind, if you are sticking this side to inwards of the belt, you have to stick this side on the belt. So it's gonna go like this. So try that first, then only cut your lace. नहीं तो you will waste your lace. So I am done with the stitching from both sides, and this is how it turned out. I'm gonna also try and show you guys. And this is how it's gonna look. You can also adjust it a little bit. Yes. So I'm gonna quickly do all of these and get back to you. And also I wanted to mention, if you have a lace, like small little lace like this, so I'm going to cut this thing into half, so it will be not visible. So yeah, that's it, and I'm quickly gonna do all of these and get back to you. So I'm done with all of these. I made 2 silver and 2 golden, so I'm going to try them for you and show you guys. So here we go, the final look. Watching you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. It will really mean a lot to me. So yeah, bye, see you in the next video.